Imagine standing at the crossroads of opportunity and uncertainty, with the future hinging on one crucial skill: financial literacy. For many, money is a tool that shapes life's possibilities, yet financial education often takes a backseat in our upbringing. This gap in understanding can lead to stress, debt, and missed opportunities. Today, more than ever, financial literacy is a critical life skill for parents and young adults alike, and addressing it can pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. The importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy encompasses the knowledge and skills needed to make informed financial decisions. It involves budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding credit and debt management. For parents, mastering these skills is essential to model healthy financial behaviors and provide for their families. For young adults, it's about laying the groundwork for independence and avoiding financial pitfalls that could take years to recover from. The stakes are high. A 2023 survey by the National Financial Educators Council revealed that 63% of Americans felt their lack of financial knowledge cost them money, an average of $1,819 per person. Among young adults aged 18-24, the effects are even more pronounced. A 2022 report by Junior Achievement found that 54% of teens don't feel confident managing their money, yet only 22 states require financial education as part of the high school curriculum. This disconnect leaves many young people vulnerable to financial missteps, such as racking up credit card debt or failing to save for emergencies. Why parents should prioritize financial literacy. Parents play a pivotal role in shaping their children's financial habits. By teaching concepts like budgeting, goal setting, and delayed gratification, parents can instill lifelong financial resilience. For instance, consider Sarah, a mother of two from Colorado. She grew up in a household where money wasn't openly discussed, leading to years of financial trial and error. Determined to break the cycle, Sarah began incorporating money lessons into everyday life with her kids. They learned to divide their weekly allowances into categories: spending, saving, and giving. By the time her eldest son entered college, he was already adept at budgeting for groceries and prioritizing savings. For parents, prioritizing financial literacy also means securing their family's future. According to a 2023 study by Bankrate, 68% of U.S. adults have less than $1,000 in savings. This lack of a safety net often results in stress and hasty financial decisions. Teaching children the importance of building an emergency fund can have ripple effects, fostering generational financial stability. The young adult perspective. For young adults, the transition to independence often comes with financial challenges. Rent, student loans, and unexpected expenses can quickly pile up, making financial literacy a cornerstone of success. Without proper guidance, young people can fall into traps like payday loans or high-interest credit cards. Consider Alex, a 22-year-old college graduate who landed his first job in marketing. Excited by his newfound income, Alex spent freely on dining out and upgrading his wardrobe. Within 6 months, he was shocked to realize his credit card balance had ballooned to $5,000. After seeking advice from a financial coach, he learned to create a budget, prioritize paying off high-interest debt, and start building an emergency fund. Today, Alex is debt-free and actively contributing to his 401k. Unfortunately, Alex's story is not unique. Statistics highlight the need for greater financial awareness among youth. A 2022 study by FINRA's Investor Education Foundation found that only 39% of young adults could answer basic financial literacy questions correctly. Furthermore, 40% of millennials carry student loan debt with an average balance exceeding $37,000. These numbers underscore the urgency of equipping young adults with the tools to navigate their financial futures. Steps to boost financial literacy. Both parents and young adults can take proactive steps to improve their financial literacy. For families, open and honest conversations about money are a great starting point. Parents can share their own financial successes and mistakes, turning them into teachable moments. Resources like online courses, financial apps, and community workshops can also make learning more accessible. The long-term impact. When families and individuals invest in financial literacy, The benefits extend far beyond bank balances. Financial confidence reduces stress, improves mental health, and opens doors to opportunities like homeownership, entrepreneurship, and early retirement. Moreover, financially literate parents raise financially savvy children, creating a cycle of empowerment. As we navigate an increasingly complex economic landscape, financial literacy isn't just a skill, it's a lifeline. By prioritizing financial education today, parents and young adults can secure a brighter, more resilient future for themselves and the generations to come. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.